Just finished removing all the belt debris, and as far as can check from here. The AC compressor pulley is fine. We have to replace belt tensioner. Water pump pulley is fine. We have to replace the tensioning pulley 1 and then 2. Those pulley, tensioning pulley, have to replace. And okay, alternator pulley, okay, fine. So very lucky that the alternator and compressor AC are not jammed, so it should be fine. Okay, so the cause is the main pulley. This main pulley, balancing main pulley, have to replace before the bush inside the pulley are wear out. In this case, it's already wear out and start to wobbling. That's why the belt run off tracks. This happened.